So, hello and good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I'm Supriya from CAP 04 batch, is the host of CSPD session. So, today I have given you the topic that how far your skills and your degrees have been acknowledging you through tech industry and how these degrees are going to help you to grow more further in the tech industry. So, without further delay, as I'm the host, so I will like to go first with my speech. So, firstly, I have done BBA graduation from Kanpur University. So, BBA stands for Bachelor of Business Administration. In that degree, I have learned about time management. I have learned about how to gather in groups and how to discuss everything very calmly and very fluently. Moreover, I have also developed my skills over there, like communication, like team cooperation with my members. And after it I have done I have just joined the Masai. And in Masai, firstly, I joined the full time. So there I was terminated, however, and after it, in the cap, I have joined. So in the full time also, I learned how to manage all the things like it was very hectic to manage all the classes and all those stuff. So, however, I just learned there that how to be very fast in work, how to grab the concepts very easily and very fastly. So, there I found many ways to learn the new techniques in the evaluating world. So, and I believe that these skills like time management, working in a team, and cooperation with team can help me in dynamic markets to survive more in the tech industry. Moreover, I believe that working in team is not only limited to management students also. It moreover, it's also limited to the students who are working in tech industry, because once you don't know that how to lead a team, how to work with your team, you would never be able to survive. That's what I have learned and that's what I believe. So I believe these things are going to help me grow more further with the tech world. So that's it for my speech for today. If anyone wants to give me feedback, he or she can proceed. Okay, no one. Thank you, guys. So now I would like Karan to go with his speech, please.
So first of all, good afternoon, everyone. So as a today's topic is how far your skill and your degree can help you to grow in tech skills. So if I talk about myself, so I am from a commerce background and I completed my graduation in BCom. So even though I am not interested in my field, but I have learned many things from it. So if I give you example, then so I think even it is a commerce field or a technical field, it is very important to deal with the people and to communicate with people. So I have learned one thing from my past field, that how to communicate with people, how to communicate in a group, so that everyone can do their best. So I think this is one of my skills that I learned from my past experiences. So and other thing, if I tell you about, then I think so I think that it is very important to communicate with people. So um, stop. Sorry for interruption. So, if I make my another point, then I think which I learned from my past field, that how to manage people. So, I know how to manage people. If I get opportunity to be a leader of any group, I know how to manage each person, each individual, and how to take best out of them, so that our work can be do efficiently and effectively. So this is one of main point which I learned from my past experiences. And if I talk about my skills, so as I told you earlier in my past speeches, that I think I have a great skill that I learn from others and I listen to them. So even if I am a leader of a group, I make sure that I learn from my subordinates also, because it is the only rule of leader is not that he teaches others, but it is also important for a leader to learn from others. So I think this is one of my great skills. So if I learn from others, so I can grow myself and my skills. So this is all from my all my side. So thank you so much, and sorry for the pause.
It's okay, Karan. Your speech was good and you made valid points, so that was appreciating. Only the thing that you got stuck. try to improve it next time. So anyone else wants to give feedback? No? Okay. So now I would like Tiwari to go. Okay, Nikita wants to say something.
Explain much, and you ended your speech very early, so you could have explained on that point also. That is the feedback. Thank you for the
I will work on it. Thank you so much, Navita.
welcome.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Supriya
Okay.
also.
So now Tiwari, are you there?
Yes. So actually, my
Ah,
internet connection was unstable. So it might be my voice is breaking between. So okay. So is my voice clear to all of you?
yeah.
Yeah. So today's topic is how far your skill and your degree could be helped to grow in tech industry. What you have done in your so what you have done in your graduation and you whatever degree you have. So if I talk about myself, so I have done my graduation in commerce field. Like I have done Bachelor's of Business Administration from Kanpur. Uh, so basically, I don't have any tech degree like BTech, BCA, or computer science degree. I have only a management degree. And after that, I wanted to do MBA also, but because of some reasons, not I will not no I didn't go with MBA. But because of my BBA degree, I can say that I have learned many skills. Like I have learned marketing skill. I have learned team collaboration skills when I was in my graduation time. So I've done uh, very diversified projects in which I worked with my teammates, my classmates. So because of that projects, my uh, working in a team working ability developed. So I can say I am a good team worker. I can easily collaborate with my friends, with my teammates. So with the help, so I learned lots of skills from my graduation time. And the second thing, which is that how my degree can help me to grow or achieve something in future. So I can say with the help of my management degree, I can be a uh, good manager in every field. I mean, any field uh, uh, where I work, where I will work. Or the second thing, which is I really wanted to tell you that after getting any IT job, I will definitely go for MBA so that I can be a good manager, or I can be a good uh, manager also as team leader also. So or with the help of MBA degree, I can be a uh, head of a very big team. It might be possible that I can get a uh, top post in any company so that I can. Yeah, thank you so much. That's it for my side.
Okay. So thank you for your valuable words. Your speech was good. You made, I mean, technical points also. So that was appreciating. Anyone else wants to give the feedback? Okay. Nikita wants to say something. You can go ahead.
Thank you, host. Vishal, your speech, I couldn't find the answer in your speech because your speech was somewhat not to the point that was mentioned in the question. Like there were 4 points, how your degrees can help you grow in tech career and what you have done in graduation and its importance and how it can enhance your tech growth. So somewhat I felt like that. Thank you.
So, okay. Definitely next time he'll work on that and improve better. So I think only you are the remaining to for your speech. So I would like you to unmute and go with it.
First of all, good evening, everybody, and I would like to thank host for giving me the opportunity to speak on the topic, which is how far your skills and your degrees can help you grow in tech industry. So my answer to this question is that I believe that these skills and degrees are cannot help us in a long run in our tech industry because after that we have to put our own dedication, our own hard work, and how we are pursuing that job that has been in which we are working. But many companies prefer hiring candidates with some advanced tech degrees, and but there is a huge process being followed in our current Indian education system, which is that first students pass their 12th or intermediates in order to get and they score high CGPA in order to get good colleges for their graduation. And after they are done with their graduation, they prefer they crack the degrees in order to get good jobs. But these degrees and skills, diplomas and certificates are only the badges that can help you earn crack a job in a good company and with a high paying salary. But after that, only your learning would be applied in practical, like it would be applied in application what you have learned throughout your educational journey throughout your career. And how it can affect the tech industry, my answer would be that there are so many skills like communication skills, collaborative skills, leadership skills, which one should acquire in his tech journey. So in order to give impact to its tech career, so that we are not stuck in any part of our journey. And one more point I want to mention is that I haven't done any graduation. I don't have any degree, any tech degree or any formal degree because I went through graduation. I pursued BSc in PCM, but I couldn't complete it due to some mental health issues. In a way, I dropped that. So I think the degrees are not just enough. All that matters is your hardship that you will pay and your other skills like I mentioned, like communication skills, your collaborative skills, and the importance of these degrees in tech market are now it is not that much because it has become a burning issue nowadays. What matters most, degrees versus skills. So the companies are also aware nowadays that degrees are not just sufficient. They want to seek something more beyond degrees, like the skills that a candidate is uh, possessing. So I can say that degrees and certificates don't have their importance in tech market nowadays, according to today's scenario. I think it is not that crucial for all of us to prepare. So that's all about my speech. Thank you, host.
Okay, so Nikita, your whole speech was appreciating, but the thing you said that degrees and certificates are not important. Yes, you're right to it. But whatever skills we learn through completing that degree, through earning that certificate, because it really requires hard work, it really requires, never give up feeling. So that skills are definitely going to help you somewhere in the tech industry. So you could have added that point. Rest your speech was good, and I didn't found, I hardly found any grammatical errors. Anyone else want to say something?
Thank you, host, for the feedback.
Okay, Karan, you can go ahead.
So I think your today's speech was very good. You give valid points, but the only thing is that which I found in your speech that your speech was very great, but when you are not interacting with us now, so I can't connect with you. That's the only thing. You should be. I also give you a hint that you should use hand gestures in between your speech, but you don't use that. So that's the only thing. But your speech was very good. The only thing is that you are not interactive. That is your setback only. Otherwise, your all the speeches was good. And today's speech was very good because you give valid points about yourself and your skills also. So that's from my side.
Thank you,
So much.
Karan.
So, Tiwari, you want to say something?
No, your speech was very good.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you, Vishal.
okay. So I would like to wind up today's session. The only thing which I learned that I would like to conclude all of your points. first thing I would like to pick up from Nikita only, that she said that certificates and degrees doesn't matter. Yes, they doesn't matter. Only thing which matters is your skills, is your never give up feeling, and of course your hardship. And second thing, which Tiwari mentioned, that he's going to, I mean, after getting successful in tech industries, he's also going to pursue MBA also. So I would like to appreciate that even after getting job, even after becoming independent, he's able to, pursue MBA degree. He's, I mean, willing to learn more. So that was the appreciating point, that you should never give up on learning. You don't have any age to learn. You can start, and you can learn at any age. So, and one thing I would like to say, that being a commerce student, still Karan is pursuing tech industry. So it's very appreciating that you have chosen something from beyond your fields. It's just like that, you don't want to give up on your dreams. You just want to, I mean, learn whatever you want to do in your life. So it's just that never give up on your dreams. Always find ways to accomplish your goal, no matter how the journey can be. Just try to fight it out. So I would like to wind up today's session. Thank you, all of you.